Google Maps introduced another brand new feature for India on Wednesday with its Stay Safer feature. Part of the latest version of Google Maps, this feature allows Android phone users traveling in auto rickshaws or taxis to share their live location with their family or friends and also alerts them if their vehicle is going off route. Once a user has selected a destination and chosen a route, he or she can enable this feature by selecting the Stay Safer and Get Off-Route Alert option from the menu. The phone will then automatically buzz if the vehicle goes more than 0.5 km off the route suggested by maps, and users can tap to see where they are as compared to the suggested route. They can then live share the screen with friends or family to help them keep track of the journey. Now I will show you in the Google Maps how this feature really works. I turned on the feature direction from my location, and here you can see a feature Stay Safer is available. If I just tap start trip and share live progress with friends, you can share live trip and get an alert if your taxi or ride goes off route. And if I just tap on this, you can see the option from with the help of this I will get off route alert when my taxi or ride goes 500 meters from here, and you will get an alert on your phone if your taxi or ride goes off route by 500 meters.